I'm here with the MSI Pro series, the MSI MP series here, and this supposedly has some good eye care technology. So I can't wait to unbox this and test it out. So it does consist of two parts, the box here with sturdy foam. So on top are all the manuals, the power supply, and then the little stand right here. Feels nice and sturdy. You can move this around. And then the base. It is a little bit on the lighter side. It's plastic, all plastic. Doesn't seem to be any metal in there. But let's set that up. Then a HDMI cable you get with it. And a little power supply brick right here. Then let's get to the monitor. Because here we have that monitor. Set this aside for a sec. And let's get this soft packaging off. So here it is, quite nice. It has that frameless design. So you get screen all the way to the edges, which is quite cool. And some buttons here, on button, a few button E, the movement button, the menu, left and right, an E button. Okay, so it's cool. Then you get the stand here, where you can put the stand on. And then you also have like these little screw holes for like setting this up on a different stand or like a rolling cart or something. So that's pretty cool. Different mounting options here. So let's set this up. I'll put this down for a sec. And then you get this bad boy on there. You have a little holder for like your pen or something, which is nice. And let's click this on right here. And then you have the sturdy metal part where you can fit the monitor in. And that's right here. And let's click that on. Okay, and then you're able to slide that right in. It also has a little quick release button, so you can open that back up. So it's quite easy to set up here. So let's hook this thing up. So you've got a couple of ways to connect this. I have my trusty HDMI cable here. So you have HDMI, DP there, that old monitor cable. I can't even remember what that's called, with those screws there, and that's pretty cool. And there the power supply. So that's hooked up. Now let's turn that on. You can swivel that quite easily, a little bit higher or more slanted. So let's turn it on, MSI. I like the white design here. I think it's quite nice. It looks quite cool for this type of monitor. Oh, and there is my recording. So you can see how I record this. This is OBS. And I think the colors are really cool. But let's also look at some gaming footage here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I like the colors here. It's quite nice. You can see how it works with a little bit more of speedy movement here. But I don't think you're going to use this for like heavy types of games. Because the refresh rate is just isn't high enough. But here you can see the colors and like the fastness that it reloads. So it's pretty cool. It's more of like a working type of monitor, I think, especially with like the eye care settings. So it's really cool. I really like it. It's large. It has that nice white finish, and I really recommend.